Welcome back to MathMind. In today's video, let's take a look at a tournament level prep question. We're given x is equal to 3 plus the square root of 2. From there, we are trying to find the value of this exponential expression. Whenever we are dealing with questions like this, a direct substitution is never the way to go. So let's explore ways to simplify the question. Let's take a look at the expression right here. I'm going to break this into the product of two separate fractions. And for reasons that will become clear later, I want each fraction to have the same level of exponent for the denominator and the numerator. So let's try to work this out. I'm going to rewrite this expression as x to the power of 4 plus 49 over x squared multiplied by x to the power of 6 plus 343 over x cubed. If you compare what I have done, x squared multiplied by x cubed will come back to x to the 5th power. As for the numerator, nothing has changed. Let me simplify these fractions further. So what I have now is x squared plus 49 over x squared multiplied by x cubed plus 343 over x cubed. One thing that's very interesting is that when you look at these numbers, 49 and 343 both are linked to 7. 49 is equal to 7 square and 343 is equal to 7 cubed. From there, we know that the number 7 is going to be a factor in our subsequent calculations. Next, let's take a look at the value for x. I have x is equal to 3 plus square root of 2. If I multiply both sides by the conjugate, which is 3 minus square root of 2, this is what I get. X multiplied by 3 minus square root of 2 is equal to 3 plus square root of 2 multiplied by 3 minus square root of 2. Using the formula for difference of squares, I can express this as 3 square minus square root of 2 square, which is equal to 7. So if I move things around, I now have 7 over x is equal to 3 minus square root of 2. If I take a look at what I have in these two brackets, they are both in the form of x plus a number over x. So let me try to move things in that direction. I'm going to do 7 over x plus x, which is equal to 3 minus square root of 2 plus our original value of x, which is 3 plus square root of 2. If I do that, minus square root 2 and plus square root 2 will cancel each other, and I'm going to end up with 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. In other words, 7 over x plus x is equal to 6. This is the equation that I'm going to be using. Let's call it equation 1. If I put a square on equation 1, this is what I will have. I will have 7 over x plus x bracket square, which is equal to 36. If I expand out the bracket on the left hand side, I am going to have x squared plus 2 7 over x multiplied by x plus 7 over x square, and that's still equal to 36. These two x's will cancel each other, so what I have is x squared plus 7 over x squared plus 14 is equal to 36. In other words, x squared plus 7 over x squared is equal to 36 minus 14, which is equal to 22. And keep in mind, 7 squared is equal to 49. In other words, what I have is x squared plus 49 over x squared is equal to 22. And just like that, we have just resolved the first bracket. The value of this first bracket is equal to 22. For the next step, let's take the cubic value of equation 1. So what I have is 7 over x plus x cubed, which is equal to 6 cubed, which is equal to 216. Let's go ahead and expand the bracket on the left hand side using binomial theorem. So what I'm going to end up with is x cubed plus 3x squared multiplied by 7 over x to the power of 1 plus 3x multiplied by 7 over x square plus 7 over x cubed. That's still equal to 216. We'll work to simplify the left hand side. So what I have is x cubed plus 3x squared multiplied by 7 over x plus 3x multiplied by 7 times 7 over x squared plus 343 over x cubed, and that's equal to 216. Some of the x's will cancel each other, for example here and here and here and here. So let's continue on. I have x cubed plus 21x plus 3 times 7 times 7 over x plus 343 x cubed is equal to 216. On the part right here, it was intentionally written this way because we are going to do a step of factorization. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to do x cubed plus 21x plus 21 multiplied by 7 over x plus 343 over x cubed is equal to 216. On this red color bracket, 21 is the common term, so what we are going to do is to take out 21. So I have x cubed plus 21 x plus 7 over x plus 343 over x cubed is equal to 216. And if you may recall, what I have in the bracket is exactly as what we have established in equation 1, which is equal to 6. So now my left hand expression can be simplified as x cubed plus 21 multiplied by 6, which is the value of equation 1, plus 343 over x cubed, and that's equal to 216. In other words, x cubed plus 343 over x cubed is equal to 216 minus the product of 21 and 6, which is equal to 90. And let's go back to check on our brackets. X cubed plus 343 over x cubed is exactly what I have on the second bracket, which is equal to 90. In other words, we're ready to calculate the final answer, which happens to be equal to 22 multiplied by 90, which is supposed to be equal to 1980. And that's the final answer for today's question. I hope you liked today's video, and I thank you for watching. Have a good day. God bless.